Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you a really easy way to create a website layout using grid styles and also character styles. So we're going to start by creating a new document. We'll go to web and we'll choose web minimum for this tutorial. I'm going to click create and we have a document right now. So what we're going to do is we will create a web layout using 12 by 12 layout. So to set a 12 by 12 layout on your output or your document, pretty easy. So what we're going to do to go to view and we're going to create a new guide layout. So click on new guide layout and we can actually set, by default it will be something like this, and if you want to change it to an 8 column layout you can do that. You can do it as just the columns and you can ignore the rows. So for this exercise, let's do an 8 column and an 8 row layout. So you've done that, and you can um, save this preset. So if you want, so I'm going to just, I'm already there, so I'm not going to save it. But so there is an 8 column and 8 row preset. We have it already, and we will click OK. So we have the grid right now. So what we're going to do is we will be setting our website layout using this guide layout. So to start with, before we start bringing in the actual elements of design, we are just going to do the blocking. Blocking is a process where we actually use shapes to define the layout of the, so it's sort of like a wireframe that we're going to use. So I'm going to use a very subtle color, so that's our color, and we will give a right slope and the, yeah, okay, so that's fine. So let's start blocking. So I'm going to say that maybe this is going to be our um, title text, and this is going to be our body text, and we need maybe a call to action button, and we're going to use this grid to create a call to action button. So we can just create a call to action button. So that's going to be the basic layout of our text. Now to place our logo, we're going to use perhaps this grid. So we're going to use the grid like this, then our logo is going to go there. And for creating our links, we are going to use these. So we are going to create our links in here. Here, okay, our links are going to be right there, and we will have to use an image. So what we'll do is I'm going to use this as my image holder. So this is going to be my basic blocking for the website that I'm going to create. So we have created the blocking of the website. So what we can do is we can select the whole rectangles and we can group it. So that will be the grid. So now we can start building the actual elements. So before doing that, let's start creating some character styles so that we can keep using it as an instance when you create multiple texts and all that. It's a very easy and very useful tool. So let's go to window and bring up character style. And you can see there are no character styles that are available right now. So what we're going to do is we are going to create a new character style. So click on the new button here, and on the character style we can give the name. So this is going to be our title text, and we can give the text effect that we actually want. So I'm going to create a serif font for this, and I will keep the size to 30. the color to basically black. So that's going to be my title text. I'm going to click OK. So we have a title text here. Select that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to type text. So let's say you can see that the character, the type tool actually shows whatever your title text, your character style is, and I'm going to choose title text goes here. So that's basically my title text, and I'm going to bring it to my title text blocking. So we have that right here. And I will create a new style as well. So let's create a new text and call it, sorry, let's switch it back to that. And if you switch back, you can see that it actually changes your selection to what you're selecting. So what I'm going to do is create a new text layer. So maybe start from here to here. I'm going to do that. Go to type and paste Lorem Ipsum. So we have the title text. So click here, and that's actually really using the body text. So if you change the title text, that actually changes. But so we have the title text and the body text set. So say home. Let's do that. So just click new and let's call it links. So for all the links that we're going to use this particular style, we're going to go to add name again, and the font size can be 10, and the color can be black. So we have the style set for that. So our links, yeah, is going to be this style. Maybe it is too small for the links. So what we can do is we can just go here and change it to 12. Okay. So I'll actually change this to 12. That's fine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just duplicate this and I'll paste it on the other. So we have a decent layout, which is done using guide styles and character styles.